This is your time to shine. In the past, you were sleeping on yourself, doubting yourself, doubting your talents. You had a lot of negative self-talk. And this could have been due to the people that you were around. But now you are choosing yourself. Now you are choosing to show the world who you really are. You have so many gifts and talents that was bestowed upon you from spirit. And now you are choosing to utilize these gifts and talents. You are multi-talented. Some of you will be in the public eye for your gifts and your talents. You have literally got the whole world in your hand. This is a new beginning for you. You are stepping into a new cycle. Congratulations. You are going to be celebrated. You're going to gain victory and success, and it's been a long time coming. Some of you could have a Mercury in Libra, or some of you could be a Libra, Scorpio, or Sagittarius. You are an excellent negotiator, always considering the other side of an argument. However, you find it hard to make final decisions and choose sides. So you could gain success through your intellect. You're very intelligent. You could have a mind of a lawyer. You could be somebody that uses their voice a lot in regards to your work. Some of you could be an actual lawyer, is what I'm picking up. Some of you could be a public speaker. And the way that you think is acknowledged by others, and a lot of people are inspired by you. A lot of people are intrigued by you, the way your mind works, your thought process, the way you communicate, the way you think. You dare to voice what no one else dares. You are observant and highly suspicious of people, so you are always trying to find out the truth. Some of you could be psychologists, and many people are very intrigued by your findings. And I also feel that you're very highly intuitive as well. And there's something about your timing. You have great timing. And whenever you communicate, you don't mince your words. We've got Mercury and Sagittarius here. And I feel like, yes, you are aware of others and not hurting others, but at the same time, you say it how it is. People can find you quite blunt, but you're very truthful. Your open-minded outlook and broad knowledge of the world makes you fun and interesting to be around. When you're passionate, you can be blunt. I just mentioned that, didn't I? Uranus, you are the change in whatever field that you are in. You have fresh energy. You are original. You are eccentric. Many people may want to copy you, but they can't, because you're always not even 10 steps, 20 steps ahead. You are an innovator. Many people haven't seen your talent, your level of skill before. Many people may try to embody your energy, but they can't come close, because you're always inventing something new. You have a mind of a genius. The way you perform, the way you sing, the way you dance, the way you act. Some of you could be athletes, entertainers, public speakers, social media influencers. Well renowned for your skills and talents. Some of you can make cream, some of you can make cakes, some of you can bake, some of you cook, some of you make perfumes. Some of you make beautiful music, some of you are producers. Something about your mind, communication and learning. We've got Mercury here. Your Mercury sign describes how you learn and perceive information and how you communicate to others. Many people want to dissect your mind. You have a mind of a genius. Many people may have tried to outsmart you, but they can't, because it's like you know what people are going to do before they do it. And you're always able to outsmart others, but not in a bad way. highly intelligent, fantastic conversationalist, great communicator, very strategic, very analytical, very sharp. So we have Neptune. You can come across as a dream to many. You know, Neptune is that planet of illusions, dreams, and fantasy. You sometimes have unrealistic dreams and goals. You need to learn that perfectionism isn't always attainable. You bring magic into reality. You have this energy about you that is otherworldly. You know, the way you perform is captivating. You know, many people have to do a double take. Many people are so in awe. You do not understand the magic that you possess, the magic that you bring to your work. You know, you may enjoy the dark and find it gives you space to explore the depths of your knowledge and personality. So you can read people. And this has saved you in many, many situations. And we also have you are optimistic and inspiring to be around. However, you find compromising and being questioned on your beliefs very difficult. You march to the beat of your own drum. You are a nonconformist. No one can't put you in a box. You have a universal appeal and you connect to many different people from all walks of life. You're very fiery. You're very passionate. And you are a go-getter. And because of your self-belief, because of your independence, because of your focus and your trust within yourself, you are going to win. And many people look up to you because you are a true leader. You embody natural leadership qualities. You are destined to shine. You are destined to win. And you should be celebrating yourself. Some of you could be of the signs Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, as well as Gemini, Aquarius again, Libra, and Sagittarius. You have a very colourful, bright and vibrant personality and a very colourful and bright future. Congratulations in advance. Keep believing in yourself. Keep believing in your dreams. You are absolutely amazing.